Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special for you. I know you guys have all seen the, the product release videos and everything from Boost Auto Parts on the Luma steps. They look stellar. Absolutely stellar. Rolling down the road, lit up, turn signal, activation sequence. There's so many ways you can customize these set of steps, and it's just so cool. Now, Ashley's JK here. We threw a 4-inch rough country long arm kit on it a long time ago. Vertex Resis. This thing rides so nice. However, with it being lifted now, not saying that it's overly tall. However, definitely requires some lift to get in there. If you guys see the orange powder coat underneath, the steps are going to complement it very nicely. These steps have so many different lighting functions available. We opted for sequential signal and running light. We also opted for a startup sequence and the rock light function. Now, if you go to their website, you can see everything fully function and some GIFs, and you can set these steps up whatever way you like. Now, with the orange powder coat underneath, we definitely chose the amber running lights. It's gonna look sharp. Obviously, we're in construction on the paint booth right now, but once that's done, this is gonna get fully color matched as well, so it's gonna look sharp, all blacked out, and these steps are really gonna wake it up. I also have a big Jeep duck to get shipped with this order as well. I gave that to Calvin already, JD. So maybe we didn't get it yet.
Oh boy. Oh
my god.
No way.
Oh my gosh. That is so sick. A Boost Auto Jeep duck. Look at that. Oh. That's humongous. That's crazy.
Thing's huge.
We were not expecting that, but imagine coming down the road. You know those people with all the ducks across their windshield? Now imagine, just forget all the little baby ones that, they make a castle out of. Just this thing. That would be so hilarious. Like, you're driving and you'd see that on your dash and be like, what is that?
Show it from the inside.
Oh my. Look at the size of this thing. I guess here's another one. Look. Christmas duck, big duck.
Stay safe. Wait, that kind of looks like I'm strangling him though.
He'll be okay.
Okay. Oh god. But then it covers up the Boost Auto. But then he's getting strangled.
Another duck. It comes with the baby duck in the kit. Oh my gosh. That's so awesome. Like, the fact that obviously it's a Jeep product, but the fact that Boost Auto went out of their way to include something like that, that's awesome. That's so sweet. And it's got a QR code on its butt.
Ooh.
Yo, I've installed a lot of running boards in my day. I mean, a lot. Most of the time, I would send them back because they were that bad to deal with. But these, just taking them out of the plastic, these are some quality running boards. Like, these are really, really nice. guys, well, we have the Luma steps mounted, bolted down, wired in. These things look killer with the padding you can option on this. They came in 3 colors for now. May add customizing in the future, who knows, but we went with the gray on this. The gray and black, and that really accents the rest of this Jeep well. What I did up here and in that corner, I just kind of trimmed the harness a little bit, trimmed the fat out of it. There was just a lot of extra, literally a lot of extra stuff in here that was just going to get bundled up and shoved down here. So I just trimmed all the wires, put them back together, and it's nice and neat now. There wouldn't be a whole bundle of stuff just wedged in there. That's honestly up to you if you want to do that. I just did that, you know, so, you know, Ashley's engine bay here would be super clean the entire time. Only thing left here is to connect the power and see what they do. There you have it, guys. There's the Luma steps installed. Now, we opted for the orange, the amber running light, obviously because of the orange underneath the Jeep. If you have a truck or even another Jeep, you can literally option these to have white running lights with your white rock lights. That's really up to you. Customize it the way you want. There's a link in the description if you want to check these steps out. They are super sweet, and honestly, it is just an awesome finishing touch here with the you know, the boat pad on top. It looks so good. Light output is actually ridiculous on these things. Look, it actually like blurs out the lens a little bit. Look at that. And even on this side too, these things look crazy. Going down the road, it's gonna look just insane. So literally there's nothing else to do besides use these steps. So let's pull this thing out and see this thing in the nighttime. Alright guys, well, there you have it. There are the Boost Auto Parts Luma steps with the amber running lights. Now, if you have, just say, you know, a Ram like this, you can opt for white running lights, the amber as well, and just specifically build them the way you want. And it's really, really cool, even down to the, you know, the step pad on top. These things are just something else. They look so good going down the road and all of that. If you guys enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Drop me a comment if you haven't already. Check these Boost Auto Parts steps out in the description below. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next one.